This is a video of my first impressions of digital arts versus actual digital arts. At first, I thought digital drawing with computer are simpler. Okay. We start with a mouse, and put on some effects. This and that on Photoshop. Done. Easy peasy. Versus the actual digital arts. I'm drawing with a mouse on Photoshop. Okay. Drawing with a mouse makes every line we draw look stiff and square. Every lines are bold and fat. It's a nightmare. Seems like a year passed just to draw a perfect line. I will grow my beard and mustache before my first masterpiece finishes. We may need some equipment for digital art. There are some famous drawing tablet brands out there that we can use. Just search for the right gear for your need. It doesn't have to be expensive. For beginners, you can buy a small size drawing tablet that does not need a big space for drawing, and the most important, it is inexpensive. You can search them on your local computer store or you can buy them online. So if we want our art to be taken seriously, get yourself a drawing tablet. My first impressions to digital arts versus the actual digital art number 2. First time I heard about digital arts. The digital art couldn't be more beautiful than actual and traditional art, which had stand the circle of time hundreds, even thousands of years ago. Remember the time when you were thought of how the caveman makes drawing with their hands on the cave walls. And remember the legends, Picasso, Leonardo da Vinci, and Salvador Dali. These peoples made history. Versus actual digital art today. Maybe they couldn't beat the old masters. I mean, who else taught us about the basic fundamentals if it's not the old masters' anatomies, perspectives and other things? But these digital arts are awesome. Look at this beautiful piece, drawn by Wheeler, titled Cage. I love it. This is a beauty, and this beautiful sci-fi landscape, by Jessica Rossier. These digital artists makes children want to learn digital arts. Mind blown. So if anytime you want to see digital arts, just search for these great artists and probably you will understand why people like us digital artists love what we do. So guys, if you love drawing and you want to pursue your dreams as an artist, especially digital art, then you have come to the right channel. This channel will give you what you want to know about digital art contents. So, you can help this channel grow, yes, by tickle the like button and smack that subscribe button and share this video, so this video would reach any parts of the world and share the love of digital arts, as we digital artists do. I'm Lads the Last, signing out.